Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to wish you all a happy Independence Day. Today on Alcoholic Alchemy, we're going to be making a cocktail called the Firecracker Fizz. It's something I kind of cobbled together between a couple of recipes I found, so let's give it a shot. First, we are going to grab our highball glass, a little bit of lime, and we want to rim just about half of the glass. And then we are going to dip it in these pop rocks. A little more, but that's just fine. Can you hear it? There we go. All right. Now, to that, we are going to do 2 ounces of our tequila, and we are using Herradura Silver. Wow, we were almost out. Oh, don't forget the ice. Good. Should be good. So our 2 ounces of tequila. Do that, we're going to add some lemonade. We're going to try 3 ounces. Three ounces of lemonade. To that, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of grenadine. We're going to do that slowly, so it does the gradient look on something like a tequila sunrise, and let that settle just a little bit. And then we're going to top it off with some lemon soda. I'm using Sprite Zero. You want to be very careful when you pour this in, as you don't want to mix up the there we go. And there you have it, the Firecracker Fizz. Let's try it, shall we? Okay guys, here we are with the Firecracker Fizz. As you can see, it's got a really nice red, white, and blue gradient to it. Let's give this a shot, shall we? Certainly smells really good because of the pop rocks. Well, these are actually the warhead popping candy. I actually couldn't find any pop rocks nearby. Let's give this a shot. Salute. That's really good. I actually do like the tartness from the warhead popping candy on it. Definitely getting the tequila and the lemonade and a little effervescence from the Sprite. Not down to the grenadine yet. It is really good though. Definitely have to finish that, and in fact I might make another one. Anyway, that's all for this video. I want to wish you guys again a happy Independence Day. Have fun, stay safe, and if you want to have me try a certain cocktail, put it down in the comments below, and I will do what I can to make that happen. Like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you guys in the next video.